So what is my favorite products? Well, out of all Morocco Method, I use them all. I have been since the 1960s. I would have to say the styling gel. I keep encouraging everyone to use this. All the rest of the styling gels that I see and look at the ingredient lists are not natural, but this one is about as natural as you're going to get with aloe vera. There's all types of great ingredients in here, 100% apple cider vinegar. The ingredients go on and on, willow bark. But if you want to have great styling hair without losing hair loss, this is it. And of course, I always use a scalp massager. So we have the only that I know of all pure rubber scalp massager in the world. The rest of them are either latex or plastic. So this is really very comfortable for the scalp and head. And I use it on my shoulders, my hands. I use it all over my body in the shower. I love the scalp massager. Then of course the brush. This is like when you bend over and brush with the sebum, you get all the natural oils in the front and the back. And of course, alternating the 5 shampoos. I always alternate all 5. I love them, all 5. I don't say there's any favorite. And the same thing with the conditioners. And then of course, I alternate the elixirs. So I also use the Zen Detox quite often. It really goes deep into the scalp, down into the roots, into the growth process, starts pulling out any residue that's been building up. So I really like that a lot. And the soap bar. So when I'm traveling, I always take the soap bar, the conditioner bars with me. They're so convenient, and they really are 100% compostable. Very, very natural.